What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Retik Finance. Retik Finance is a dynamic DeFi token offering innovative financial solutions like decentralized lending, borrowing, yield farming, staking, and secure payment processing through Retik Pay. With a successful pre-sale raising over 32 million, Retik Finance shows promise with projections of reaching $30 to $50 by 2024. Despite some negative sentiments, its proactive security measures, CertiK audit, and strategic partnerships make it an appealing investment opportunity in the decentralized finance space. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to buy Retik Finance Crypto. So, let's start. Selecting a Web3 wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet is the initial step in preparing for the Retik Finance presale. These wallets are essential for securely storing your digital assets and interacting with decentralized applications like Retik Finance. By setting up and securing a Web3 wallet, you establish a secure gateway to participate in the presale and engage with the decentralized finance ecosystem effectively. Before participating in the presale, ensure that your chosen Web3 wallet is adequately funded with Ethereum or USDT. These cryptocurrencies are commonly accepted for purchasing Retik tokens and covering associated transaction fees. Having sufficient funds in your wallet streamlines the purchasing process and ensure that you can seamlessly complete the transaction without delays. To engage in Retik Finance presale, visit the official Retik Finance website, the sole authorized platform for the presale event. It is crucial to avoid unauthorized sources or suspicious offers, as the legitimate path to acquiring Retik token is exclusively through the official channels provided by Retik Finance. By navigating to the official website, you can access the presale section and proceed to specify the amount of Retik tokens you wish to purchase. Upon reaching the presale section on the official Retik Finance website, connect your Web3 wallet to the platform. Here, you will encounter the current price of Retik tokens and a user-friendly interface that allows you to input your desired purchase amount. Follow the prompts provided in the website to securely and efficiently finalize your transaction, ensuring that you acquire intended amount of Retik tokens as part of the presale process. After confirming your purchase and reviewing transaction details, including gas fees, your Retik tokens will be reflected in your wallet and on the official Retik Finance website. It is essential to monitor your holdings regularly to stay informed about any updates or developments related to Retik Finance. Additionally, keep an eye out for upcoming exchange listings to maximize the potential of your Retik holdings with a decentralized finance landscape. In conclusion, participating in the Retik Finance presale involves key steps such as selecting a Web3 wallet, ensuring sufficient funds, specifying the purchase amount on the official website, completing the transaction securely, and monitoring your Retik holdings. By following these steps diligently and staying informed about developments in the decentralized finance space, investors can engage effectively with Retik Finance and potentially benefit from its innovative solutions and growth potential. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.